Never willing, never sure. I say I first. Yeah, man, welcome once again, brothers and sisters, elders and young youths. Together, you know, celebration. That's a moment of silence in remembrance, as we just said. Give thanks in our heart, you know, Brother Bob. Come on earth, leave us physically, they will be spiritually. And as you can see, and then family live on, music live on. Rastafari.
Yeah.
Ever live.
So I'm about to cut the final cake, you know, we have Royal and Joe Mercer. We want Joe Mercer on the mic. No singing right now, we're just cutting off the cake and sharing amongst the people that are here. I know these little boys always want to say something. And anything? Shy today? I don't believe it. Nish? You're talking from Marley, but this is our well-known representative, you know. She should be in PR and everything for us, Donisha.
All right, greetings, brothers and sisters.
Greetings.
Irie?
Irie.
Aye, that's nice. Yeah, man, today is a beautiful day.
Yeah.
We get a little showers.
Blessings.
Clear up the air, you know. Smell that, inhale. That's life, you know.
Mystic.
That is life. Yeah, so we give thanks for the gathering. We give thanks for the strength. We give thanks for family, for friends, for strangers. Because once we meet, we know that we're all connected, you know. Yeah, man, so I just want to come together and say a quick prayer. This is a prayer that we say in our family. The light of Jah surrounds us, the love of Jah enfolds us, the power of Jah protects us, and the presence of Jah watches over us. Wherever we are, Jah is, and all is well. Thank you, Father, for the mercies you have endured forever. Jah! Rastafari! Alright. So, yeah man, so Matthew come forward, man.
What?
Where are the grandkids them? Come forward, man. Step up in the door. Step up in the door.
Everything.
Alright, so we're going to cut the cake now, man.
I would like to know if anyone in the crowd know which year today we're celebrating.
60 and
67. Today is 67 years of life.
It would be.
Alright, so.
It would be 67 today. Was alive.
Alright. Ready? Louis, you have one? Alright, you have one? Alright, ready? After 3, and the count us down. 1, 2. Roll the music, Pastor.